So, this is my English classroom. Sunday today, so there's no school. School starts tomorrow. And I actually wanted to go to a cyber cafe to use the internet and upload my videos and whatnot. But they were all packed, and on weekends, military servicemen, soldiers they have their break, they deserve it, so they spend their free time playing League of Legends video games. So yeah, I thought I'd come to the school, and the school door was open, and I have the key to my classroom, so I thought I would use the computer here. Nice. Come on, work. Awesome. So yeah, thought I'd... Oh, I'll show the outside too. English cafe. And I'm supposed to put up bulletins here. Prison break. Oh, that's funny. And that's the staff room right there. I don't really want to peek out the corner into the hallway because there's cleaning people there. I don't want them to think I'm extremely weird. So, and here's the inside of, I guess, one of the rooms where all the books and whatnot are stored. They have a lot of books and resources, so it's really good. Video English program. It's pretty nice. So, that's my classroom.